I'm super duper laggy. Hello? Bro, I'm gonna turn off my audio, okay? Okay, hello everyone. I think I need to scream because last time I was very um my voice was very low. I'm screaming. Let me introduce you. This is my friend, aka my classmate, Sasuke. Okay, this is him. Alright, where is he? I don't really know. This is my garden. Guys, remember? Oh, there he is. Here he is. There he is. It's him. That guy's him. Wait. Let me say hi. So now I'm recording. Yeah, what's that? That looks cool. What's that? Oh, yes. Please subscribe to his YouTube channel. I don't know his YouTube channel, but just subscribe. Okay? Got that? So not much I'm gonna say. I only say he's rich. Well, I'm also kind of rich, so Taco Fern going crazy. Wait, let me say. I told him, come here, show your Taco Fern. Hi, Tita. Alright, I think he's gonna show us our Taco Fern. Oh my holy! It's big! Shush! Nice. Okay. I'm gonna tell him that I'm gonna stop recording. My best friend is making YouTube.